Oh. Let's go older.
What? Bro.
Well, now I see why it was taped.
What are you doing, by the way?
Putting an exhaust on it.
You don't sound too enthused.
Well, it's a 2J swap car. Somebody put a custom-made exhaust on, and the exhaust is real crappy. So I gotta try to get an actual JZX exhaust on. So this is actually a TRD muffler. It's pretty cool.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So I don't know if it's gonna sound quiet or good or whatever.
I would think so. That's a huge ass muffler.
It's only muffler in the system though, so it might
okay.
it'll have a little bit of a tone.
Gotcha.
But this is a 2J swapped Mark II JZX100. It came from Japan with the 2J in it. It was a lot of janky stuff going on, so we fixed a lot of it. Put a Haltech in it, got it running good. Fixed some leaks. Got the intercooler system looking good. So mechanically, this thing is beautiful. The last thing on the list is this exhaust. And just take a look at what they did over in Japan land.
Japan land. Nice.
So we need to go ahead and fix this. We had a full exhaust in the back, but I was hoping this was a JZX kit that was cut and modified. I don't even know what this goes to, because all these hangers are not, they're MIG welded on.
Yeah.
It's all like stepped right, like how you like that transition right there.
Ooh, A1 quality, brother.
I was hoping it was just gonna be a bolt-on affair, bing bang boom.
That would have been nice.
But yeah, so
What's the plan now?
I'm gonna cut this off. No point in unbolting that because it's not gonna line up. I'm just gonna cut it off, drop it, hang that up, and try to make that fit somehow. So I got safety glasses, guys. I know you flamed me last time. Actually,
That's your spectacles.
she's a squirter. Get exhaust water on me. Hey Ted, you wanna hold my pipe?
Oh my god.
Hey Ted, you mind helping me? Hurry up, Dev. Why is it pissing?
What are we doing? That thing was heavy.
Oh,
What? Bro.
well, now I see why it was taped.
So you have to look it up. I think that one's held in too? My tape?
No. Nut. Ah, got him. Got him. Got him. I know you're really busy. Everybody else is really busy too. And Tevin's too weak to help me.
That's crazy. I mean, I can help you. I'll set up a I'll put this on like a stand or something.
You just time lapse it. You wanna do that?
I'm thinking I'm just gonna cut this pipe that someone made, bolt the flange up, stick it in there, weld it. It's not perfect, but it'll do.
The PRP trigger kit was not working right with us, so we put the stock cast back on, and now Michael's in there bee-booping.
Bee-booping?
Yeah, bee-booping.
Okay.
And hopefully it started up here soon.
We're fixing a janky exhaust with a less janky exhaust.
You cut good. Ready to start welding?
Yep. Ideally, you know, you want the tip out a lot, but
I don't think it looks terrible. It looks fine.
yeah. I think it turned out pretty good.
Yeah.
It's essentially a factory TRD exhaust on it. Someone in Japan with that exhaust did a resonator delete or secondary muffler delete. It should have a little bit of noise to it. Probably won't have that much noise. Essentially all we built was a downpipe. We took the downpipe that somebody else built and just modified it. Yeah, nothing too special. I'm not expecting
Right,
it.
exactly.
Who knows, you know? Oh, it's really quiet.
Man, was it not that quiet before?
Oh no, this thing was like loud as shit.
Wow. That sucks. He said, is it running?
That's upsetting.
Hey, I was told to put an exhaust on. I put an exhaust on, okay?
It's better than this thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's trash.